Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we have the Jordan 5 Wings. These recently released on Nike and they are a collaboration between Nike and the Black Pearl School. So I'll give you guys an in-depth review on these, and first let's get right into the box. Alright, so getting into the box, the first thing is the size label. So this is a grade school size 4Y. This was the only size I was able to get. So it says Air Jordan 5 Wings, multicolor, and the suggested retail for the grade school is 160 USD. For the men's ones, it's 200 USD, and the box in the men's ones is actually different than this. It's kind of like the open lid top. But getting inside the box, we have black paper, we have the little Jumpman sticker, and then of course we have this Wings card. So this is Jordan, it says Wings, everyone can fly. Really neat. And on the back it says a little bit about the Black Pearl School. So Jumpman times little Black Pearl, the business of art. And there's a little message from Jordan Brand. So getting right into the shoes themselves, pretty much we have illustrations drawn by the students at the Black Pearl Art, and they're printed all over the sneakers. So I'll give you guys a close look at some of them. So here we have some hands, stars, you know, everything you could think of. It's just different illustrations by these students, and that's what makes the shoe so special. Not only is it for a good cause, but also demonstrates the skills of the students at the school. And overall, I honestly think this is one of the best drops of the year, especially for grade school. The concept behind it and the sneaker itself, it just comes out to be really nice. You got some details on these drawings. To the back we have a red Jumpman. Again, really neat. And then let's get into the outsole. So it's an icy outsole along the white bottom. Midsole again white with the teal teeth. And the sock liner is black. And on the inside of the shoe we just have a red Jumpman logo. So I think they could have done something a little cooler there. But on the inside of the tongue we do have the Jordan Wings logo again, as you guys saw on that card. So that's a cool touch. And I have a silver tongue. This is actually 3M, as you guys could probably tell from how it looks like this. And then one of the coolest parts of the sneaker is the lace lock, and we have some wings. So that's never been done on a Jordan before, obviously. Hence the name Wings. So pretty cool, really nice in my opinion. I think everything about the shoe is just really cool. And then some more details. It has 2 extra set of laces with it, so black and teal along with the white that are already on it. I'd probably go with the teal or the white. And then of course one of the best parts of the sneaker has to be right here, the cage. So instead of the regular netting that they do on Jordan 5s, they actually made it look like wings, as you guys can see. I'll show you the other pair as well. So yeah, really dope. In my opinion, that's the best part of the sneaker. And then that also, there's also the same colored netting going throughout, like under the laces. I do want to talk about some of the messages written on the sneaker. And let's get into this one right here on the toe. So it says, end black on black crime. The mind is the weapon, cease fire. Again, another cool message, and it's just really cool how children actually illustrated this and wrote these messages and had a lot to do. But yeah guys, so that's pretty much it. Again, this is the grade school size 4Y, but honestly it's the same thing, same print going through these and the men's ones. And the thing is, these prints repeat, so the same one might be found on both pairs. You guys can see what's written here is also written here. So it's pretty cool because there's a difference between each pair of sneakers, but also, you know, when you wear them, it actually goes together pretty well. But yeah, one last look at the sneakers. Again, in my opinion, these are just absolutely fire. And if you guys want to grab a pair right now, certain sizes aren't going for too much over retail. So as I usually say, for hype sneaker releases, it's best to get it early on than, you know, regret it later. And if you guys enjoyed that review, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. If you have any other questions, please comment down below. And thank you guys for watching.